Good day everyone, I am French teacher Lamos de Bahenteng, and this video we're going to focus on trigonometric integrals. So now the first problem we're going to work on this one is integral of cos cube x dx. So what do you think we're gonna do here? So we can write cos squared x times cos x. So we have the integral of cos squared x cos times cos x dx. This is cube. Then and what we want to do is we want to change cos squared into 1 minus sine squared, and keep in mind that sine squared plus cosine squared is equals to 1. Then so we can move sine squared to the other side. If we do that, we'll get that cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. So we're going to replace cos squared with 1 minus sine squared. So this will be 1 minus sine squared x times cos x dx. So now the reason why we want to put it in this form is so that we can do u substitution. So if we make u is equals to sine x, then our du is cosine x dx. So that's why we have to keep one cosine on the outside so that we can use it to change it into du. So this du, and we're going to replace sine with u. So this will be integral of 1. Our sine squared is u. Then our cosine x is du. So the antiderivative of 1 is going u, and the antiderivative of u squared is u cube over 3, and then plus c. So this will be u third or cube over 3 plus c. So now the last step is to replace u with sine. So our final answer is gonna be sine x minus 1 over 3 sine cube x, that's cube, plus c. This would be the final answer. Let's have another problem. So integral of cos to the power of 5 x dx. So find the antiderivative of this expression. So we're going to take out cosine. So we have cos to the power of 4x times cos x dx. So now we want this to become eventually du, and cos into sine. So we have integral of cos squared x times cos x dx. So now cos squared, we can make that 1 minus sine squared. So we have 1 minus sine squared x to the power of 2 or squared times cos x dx. So now at this point we can replace sine with u. So our u is sine x, then our du is cos x dx. So we have 1 minus u squared to the power of 2 du. So now, before we can integral this expression, we need to expand it. We need to expand this expression. So we have integral of 1 minus u squared times 1 minus u squared du. So 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Then negative u squared plus negative u squared is equals to negative 2u squared. Then negative u squared times negative u squared, that would be positive u to the power of 4 is equals to u minus 2u cubed over 3 plus u fifth over 5 plus c. So now we can write the final answer. That would be sine x minus 2 over 3, then sine cube x it's another page na lang. X